Looking to create stunning AI-generated images right from your phone without installing any extra apps or spending a dime? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how easy it is to generate AI art using free text-to-image bots on Telegram. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll be able to transform your ideas into amazing pictures just by typing a simple prompt. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open your Telegram app. Now, if you're on desktop or mobile, the process is exactly the same, super simple. Once inside Telegram, head up to the search bar, usually at the top of your screen. This is where you can look up bots, channels, or even your friends. In the search box, type in @GPT-4 Telegram bot. That's the name of the bot we'll be using today, and don't worry if you see other suggestions pop up. Just make sure you choose the one with that exact username. The GPT-4 in the name is a hint that the bot uses some advanced AI smarts behind the scenes. Once you see the bot in your search results, go ahead and tap or click on it. Now you might see a little start button at the bottom of your chat window. This is how you get the conversation going with the bot. If you don't see that button, just type start and send that as your message. The bot will respond and you're in. Starting the bot is basically letting it know you're ready to use its features. If you've never used Telegram bots before, don't worry. They're safe to interact with and thousands of people use them for all sorts of creative things. After you've started the bot, you'll notice it gives you a few different options. One of those will be AI image generators. Bots like this often bundle in multiple tools for you to experiment with, so take a moment to look at what's available. You might see names like Stable Diffusion, DALL-E, or Midjourney listed. Each of these is a big player in the world of AI image creation and has its own special style. If you're unsure which one to pick, don't stress, just go with the default or whichever option sounds interesting. You're free to try them all later. Next up, it's time for the fun part, typing out what you want the image to be. Think of this step as commissioning your own digital artist. You can be as detailed or as imaginative as you like. For instance, you might type a futuristic city under a golden sunset or an adorable cat sailing a paper boat. Try to paint a picture with words. The more details you provide, the better the AI will understand what you're after. This is where a little patience and creativity really pays off. After you send in your prompt, the bot will get to work cooking up your image. Now, this part might take a few moments, especially if the bot is busy or your prompt is complex. Don't worry if it seems slow. AI image generation can sometimes be like waiting for a Polaroid to develop. You should see a progress message or a notification that your image is being prepared. Just hold tight, your artwork is on its way. When the bot replies, you'll see your brand new AI-generated image right in your chat. And that's it, no technical skills needed, no software to install. If you want to try another idea, simply repeat the process with a new prompt or test out one of the other image generator options the bot offers. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any tricky parts. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips, AI tutorials, and creative ideas just like this. Thanks for watching and have fun making your own AI art on Telegram.